Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a little bit different than my typical clean with me's. Of course, I still have all the motivation for you, but the music is going to be more relaxing and it's actually Christmas themed. So I hope that you enjoy this video and you get into the Christmas spirit while also getting some major cleaning motivation. I love starting out my cleaning in the bedroom because it really just sets the tone for how the rest of the cleaning is going to be. I feel like I'm so much more motivated if my bed is made and all the clutter is off the floor. I'm using these Clorox Scentiva wipes to wipe all the countertops and handles down. Honestly, these are not my favorite. I won't be purchasing these again, but I think I picked these up at the dollar store and I don't want to be wasteful, so I will use them until they're finished. But I will be in the market for new disinfecting wipes. Leave a comment down below if you guys have a favorite brand that you like. It's been far too long since I've cleaned out this tub, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just pouring in some bleach and then I will fill the water up until the jets and run the jets, and you would be amazed at how much gunk and crap gets stuck in the jets. It's actually really disgusting, but oddly satisfying.
That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small, and now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. I guess that spring and summer, they're all fine, but I've been waiting for the season that's mine. So let it come, yeah, let it come. See the snowflakes fall, I can hear the sleigh bells call. They're saying it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time.
I've mentioned in the past that I make our own laundry detergent, so I will be making a video on how I do that with all the ingredients and everything, so be on the lookout if that is something that you're interested in seeing.
I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small. And now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here.
By this time, my son had woken up from his nap, so I stopped filming and went and grabbed him. I was actually surprised that he napped this day because he has been in the fighting nap stage. I think that's just coming with the territory of almost being 2 and, taking a while to wind down and actually go to sleep. But I was surprised he did actually nap, so I was able to film this interruption free for the most part.
Shining through the falling snow in the cold December night. I'm still up, don't know why it's.
While I have been loving the scent from Method, the pumpkin spice, I'm ready to make the transition to Christmas. I've been ready for a while, so I'm excited for my Grove Collaborative order to ship, I think, in the next week. I'm excited to try the peppermint scent.
When the morning comes, it's Christmas time. It's Christmas time again. It's my favorite time of the whole long year. I love the turkey and the mistletoe. Nobody's got nowhere to go. We got time to just hang out. I love the parcels and the rhymes, the carols and the chimes. Hey kids, what do you know? It's Christmas time. I put on winter clothes and go out for a walk in the biting Jack Frost night.
A while ago, I purchased this Cascade Complete, and I have to say, I hate it. It does not get my dishes clean. There's always food and residue left over. It might be my dishwasher, but I don't know. I'm going to change up my detergent and see if that's the problem. I'm excited to try this 7th generation cleaning detergent. I saw somebody else use it and they were raving about it. So I ordered that in my Grove Collaborative box this month, and I'm excited to try that.
It's Christmas time again. It's my favorite time of the whole long year. I love the turkey and the mistletoe. Nobody's got nowhere to go when we got time to just hang out. I love the parcels and the rhymes, the carols and the chimes. Hey kids, what do you know?
I definitely need to purchase one of those razor blade scraping tools for the stovetop because honestly, the stuff that I use, it does not get anything off. So I will be purchasing that very soon.
Christmas time. It's the time for all to move in closer. It's the time for all to settle down. Leave their worries all behind. Take it slowly and unwind, and bring the peace back to a torn and shattered world.